guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be trying out some Christmas makeup. I haven't done anything drastically because, as you guys know, I'm not very makeup artisty. So I couldn't find like a red and a green to play with, so I'm gonna be digging into this Beauty Treats palette, which has like literally freaking everything you guys know from my previous video. And yeah, I don't exactly know what I'm doing. Sorry, my nose is itching and it's so freaking hot, guys. So I think what I'm gonna do is first tie this bush. Oh, sorry. Tie my hair just to get it a bit out of my face. And I know I look weird and I don't care. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so as I mentioned, I don't know what I'm doing. I just know it's red and green because I've got some of this little glitter in my advent calendar from JT1, and then I bought like a red eyeliner from NYX the other day. So we're just going to be playing around and seeing what I come up with, and we hope for the best. So let me just put this humongous palette somewhere here. I don't know if you didn't see my video, this is the Beauty Treats palette that you actually get at this Kim. It is huge, guys, and just scroll down on my list of videos and you'll see the Beauty Treats one. I did like a blue eye look with it and it's quite pigmented, so yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I would like to start with maybe green. Now I know this is gonna be a very risky one. I'm actually a bit, I don't know, normally these videos don't go well and I end up sitting here for like 2-3 hours, but yeah, okay, I'm gonna dip into this green. You guys can take any green if you want to do this, which I don't think any normal person wants to go this crazy with their Christmas makeup, but okay, let's. Oh, should I put a little bit of sellotape on? I think so. I think so. Because this might just be, yeah, let's not say it out loud. So, I think I'm gonna take it quite, let me just take off the most sticky from the sellotape. I'm gonna see if I can take it quite wide because of my hooded eyeball. So let's take it like that. I'm gonna look a bit weird now, guys, so excuse me. What is this in my eyeball? Okay, other side. Oh, my eyes feel weird now. Make this one shorter. Okay, let's try and make this even, hey? Even, Steven. This one comes out a bit wide. Oh, so let me do dot, 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 dot. Okay, now I look like something out of a horror movie. But all for the sake of makeup. Now what did oh, there my brush is. Okay, so I'm literally gonna blend on top of my crease. Sorry, I'm like concentrating too hard. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm just taking this green because it's the only green I really have. The other ones are too dark. And like there's a lot of turquoise, surprisingly. But you don't get a lot of like greens in your palette. There's like just a lot of turquoise. So I might just build it up with like a dark green, but I think this green's doing quite well. Just building up the color. Do you guys see how pigmented this palette is? Pigmented this palette is. It's quite surprising. I have to go to the mall later now. How am I going to go with this makeup? So I'm literally just deepening that color up. So that is very green. Okay, so I'm going to take the other side of the brush and just go into like a darker green and take that green like in the crease just to intensify it a bit. Can you guys see what I'm doing? And then I'm going to blend it out with a brush again. Okay, now just blend those two together just to intensify the green at the bottom a bit. This palette, the colors do blend together so well for beauty treats. Now I'm just blending it. You used to call me baby, now you call me by name. Takes wanna know why, yeah, you beat me in my whole damn game. You're pushing, I'm pulling away from you. So that is the green. Can you guys see what it looks like? And then we're just gonna take, I don't know how long this video is gonna last, but okay, let's take some concealer. This might take a while, guys, or it might go really quick, because every time I try to be creative I end up sitting in front of this camera for like 2 hours going back and forth. So let's hope today's not one of those days. Okay, so I am literally just gonna put concealer and cut the crease. I'm actually using my Alamar brush that I got in my boxy charm. Oh, I always struggle with cut creases. I'm going to take it like quite wide there. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm trying to like I don't want to go to, because I've got hooded eyes, so sometimes I struggle so badly, but I think this is looking okay. Not bad yet. So I almost just want to make it like a wing. You know what I mean? Okay, that doesn't look bad at all. Can you guys see? I don't want to look up now, because then I just destroy it and I'm on such a good binge now. I am pleasantly surprised at myself. But now let me just take like a creamy shade and set it. I'm taking any like white or cream shade that you've got just to set it, because we're literally leaving this the way it is. This is the best cut crease I've done so far. I am so pleasantly surprised. Oh my word, guys! Look, it looks not too bad. Huh. Wow. I'm like surprised, guys. Look at this. I'm like, how good does that look? I'm sorry, but I have to toot my own horn because it's the best cut crease I've done. Okay, now we're going to take some of this red liner and I'm going to attempt to make a wing. Now, this might also take a while, but let's try. Guys, if you hear noises, I'm sorry. The door's open because it's so freaking hot here. Okay, now that we are finally done, I am going to try to put some glitter glue, and I'm just gonna lightly take some of this glitter that I got in this, I don't even know what glitter this is. I hope it doesn't fucking, you guys know. You all know that is, so I'm just squishing some of this NYX glitter glue out and putting that on the red liner everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, then we're gonna go in with that glitter. Help me. Please come out pretty. Pretty, please. Oh, this is not actually coming out so bad. I'm just wondering, how am I gonna put falsies on over this? Now, okay. Now I'm gonna take this off and start praying for the best. So let's see. Okay, that's not looking too bad, apart from all the fallout here. I wasn't paying attention to that. Other than that, I don't think it looks too bad. Let me take a makeup wipe and get this green off. Now I'm going to take off my foundation, but it's okay. I don't want to mess with this too much because it's actually not looking too bad. I am just going to blend your... Guys, my hair is like wet underneath. Let me just make it into a bun or something. Okay, now you guys must excuse my little horns here. Check, my hair is like wet. Okay, so now I'm going to just blend that creamy shade in here just to soften this up. This is a clean brush, so I'm just taking like a very basic whitish shade and blending here into my, just to soften this line up a bit. I'm like pleasantly surprised at myself. Okay, now I think with that red, let's get a small blending brush. I'm gonna go in with a red on my bottom lash line just to, I don't even know what I'm doing, but okay, just bear with me. I want to really like smoke it out there. Wow, now we're going like really freaking, I don't know actually. Okay, maybe we should take like a red. I'm going to use a red eyeliner. Let's see, let's tight line the top. Wow. I also don't want to go too artistic because then you like can't, it's like not something that you'll ever do again. I know there's people that go with the glitter on their eyes and everything, but I think this is kind of still wearable. Somewhat. Okay guys, so I've put some mascara on and some falsies, and then I actually just took that glitter and I went kind of wild. I just wanted to put some on my inner corner, but now it's everywhere because I went everywhere. Okay, I put some cheeks on And now we're going to carry on to lip gloss. Now I think I'm going to use this Revolution. It's almost like a metallic-y color. But I'm going to line my lips first. Otherwise I think I'm starting to look a bit like a drag queen, but okay. We're going all out today. Wow, these NYX lip liners are so soft. And then we're going to put this metallic lip on. See how it looks. Oh, well, I'm really going to look like a drag queen after. Okay. It's all for the Christmas cause. Wow, this is a beautiful color. So that's the lip. I don't actually know what color this is. This is called Regent. Regent. So this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? Do you think I look like I can go party? And do you guys think I can go party and be a drag queen? These lips are like, wow. I'm kind of liking the metallic. Doesn't look like butthole lips. This is, I think it is drying down. I don't know. I think it's one of that lip kits. But anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was a trial and tribulation. I didn't know what I was doing really. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video for my Christmas look. And yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I try to upload 3 times a week, but Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. But I think I'll get a little bit more into it now again. I just have wedding season with the flowers and it's insanely busy. So, and because of it's so hot as well, I sit here and it just melts off my face. But thank you guys for watching and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.